Am I living with a box? Am I living with a cardboard box? Yes, I am. A new Zbox is here upon us and all of us and stuff and shit, and yeah, it's big. It's not that heavy, so that's a bad sign, but it's big, so that might be a good sign. I don't know. There are so many signs I can't read. Slimer! Okay, it's a Slimer figure. Plushie. Ooh. That's weird. Okay. Okay. I guess it's fine. I do like Slimer. Before they ruined him in later seasons, and this looks like the original or the cartoon, not the newer ones. I hope it is at least, but yeah, I'm pretty sure it's old Slimer. This is okay. Maybe I'll give it to my niece. I don't know. It might not be. I have to check the age range, because some of these have, toxic stuff in them that will not be good for small children, because they eat their toys. But it's fine for adults, because adults don't eat their toys. But if an adult ate its toy, yeah, he kind of deserves getting poisoned. So yeah, okay, so let's see if there's more sound. Okay, it's just those two sounds, it seems like. So let's put him in the back. It's just a keychain thing. Arkham City. Escape is impossible. What does it say underneath? Institute for the Criminally Insane. So yeah, I guess nothing to say. It's just a keychain. Might be good, might be bad. I don't know. I think I'm gonna give this to a friend. This is pretty bad. It's really bad, actually. Yeah, you know I don't like these kind of things. It's already been opened. No, it's just bad tape. Yeah, limited 7,500 pieces. 7,500. Yeah. Vinyl collectible. Pennywise with wrought iron. Okay, this is crap. Crap, yeah. It's crap. So, yeah. More crap. It's Ghostbusters Dustin from Stranger Things. I have not seen the new season of Stranger Things yet. I liked the first season. I think the second season was... so I will see the third season someday, but not yet. And this is shit. So yeah. Doesn't even look like him. I mean, at all. At all. It's nothing like him. So, last item. Shining. Let's check this out. Shining with an X. And... I move the camera. Nothing else. Okay. I mean, it's fine, I guess, but nothing special. I thought there would be something like this. That would be pretty cool. But just the Shining and an axe, that's... I don't know. It's fine. It's all fine, but yeah. It's a bit boring, you know. But fine, whatever.